What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ryan Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thank you so much for stopping by, and please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and also hit that post notification bell as well so you know when I post new videos. But if you guys are not new, welcome back and thank you for kicking it again for another video. In today's video, you guys, I am just going to be showing you how I do this cute little head wrap look. Yeah, I honestly get a lot of questions of you guys asking how I do my wraps, how I wrap them, where I get my wraps, etc, etc. So in this video I will be answering most of your questions. If you do have any more questions, definitely comment down below and I will try my best to answer those questions. But without further ado, let's get this video started. Okay guys, so I am actually starting on old hair. This is an old Braidout. I am shook, by the way. This is like over 2 weeks of like old hair and I still have a lot of definition, and my hair is pretty soft for the most part and like super airy. I don't have any tangles. Like, I shouldn't say I don't have any tangles, but like for over 2 weeks of not washing my hair still looks really good. And the product that I used was by 4C only. I'm not getting paid to say this, you guys, but like I am so shocked at how amazing my hair still feels after over 3 weeks of, like, basically, yeah, it's going on 3 weeks of not washing my hair and over 2 weeks of not doing it. So this is really good. But anyways, that's not why we're here. So as I said, I am starting on old hair. So what I'm gonna do is, I've already done my edges, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna take my hair and I'm just gonna leave out these side pieces right here as well as these back pieces. So I'm just gonna take my hair and I'm going to put it in a puff like so, and I'm just taking my satin scrunchie. If you guys are wondering, I got this from Amazon. So I'm just gonna put that over my hair once. This does not have to be, you really actually don't want it to be really tight because you want volume on top of your head. So that's what I'm gonna do. Another trick, if you do not have long hair, you can just take another scarf and just kind of like bunch it up and put on top of your head to create that volume. So yeah, next I'm just going to use this scarf. I actually was sent this by Wrapped by Now. I'll leave the contact info in the description down below, but she runs her own wrap company, so I got that from her. But I also get my wraps, some of my wraps, from Amazon as well, or like my local fabric stores. I just go and get them to cut the fabric. So that's another thing that you can also do, and to be honest, it is a lot cheaper to do it that way if you know, the fabric store obviously has fabrics that you guys like. But yeah, this is just a plain one. It is also very stretchy. Some other types of wraps that I have, like this one, is obviously more of a stiff pattern. I mean, a stiff more of a stick, oh my gosh, more of a stiff fabric. I usually prefer to wrap with stiffer fabrics, but anywho, for today we are just going to use this white stretchy white fabric. So I can't speak today, you guys, but yeah, so what I'm going to do is, the wrap is like, I can't really show you all of it, but this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna try my best to show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this at the back of my neck like so, and I'm gathering these at the front here. So I'm kind of gonna have like two little tails, if you guys can follow me. So you want to make sure this part is as tight as possible. So what I do is I like tuck this slack part in here, and I'm just gonna take that and cross them over And then I'm just going to start rolling. This is just one way that I do it, but I'll also show you a different way that I wrap my hair as well. So I take those, I wrap it around, it's kind of hard because I'm just looking in my camera's viewfinder. So you literally just, I didn't really tell you guys what I was doing, but I took this side and I wrapped it around, and I'm literally just going to tuck it underneath. And then I took this side, I wrapped it around and tucked it, and then I'm going to tuck it under here. And then I kind of just play with it. I feel like this part is a little bit too loose, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it, and I also feel like this part is too loose as well. So if you feel like it's too big on top, you can just tighten it to your liking. So like I'm gonna do right now. So I'm just tucking that in, and then I'm gonna take this side and tuck this part in. And then you can just pull out, like, I really can't, I'm gonna try and look in the mirror. Then I usually just pull this part down to cover my ears. I'm just gonna look in like this small mirror if I like how it's looking. I'm honestly not like super picky of like how my wraps look. Like as long as it has like this kind of shape going on, I really don't care. Anytime I wrap, it obviously does not look the same because I'm not wrapping the exact same way. So that is one way that you guys can wrap it. It's honestly about your preference. Like when you first start wrapping, you don't really feel like you did it right. You don't really feel like, you kind of feel like there's a foreign object on top of your head. But it's just about your feel and getting used to it and just wearing your crown. So don't feel like you have to wrap exactly like I did or it has to look just like mine does. I'm just very comfortable at this point wearing my wraps, so yeah, that's just what it is. But yeah, this was just a quick little wrap session. So I'm gonna show you another way that I also wrap my hair. The other way is that, again, I'll take the two legs kind of thing, or arms, whatever you want to call them, and I'm gonna make a knot. So this way is pretty similar, but it still is a little bit different. So I'm gonna make a knot, and instead of rolling it, I'm kind of just gonna like open it up and just start wrapping. So that is also another way to wrap your hair. As you guys can see, I just kind of tuck and fold and figure it out. Like, it's just very easy once you start playing with it. It does seem like, you know, intimidating at first, but you just keep wrapping and folding and tucking and sticking and your wrap will be perfect, just like how mine is looking. So that is wrap number 2. So the other way that I like to wear it sometimes is with my hair down. So I'm just going to put my hair in a low bun. my hair is in a little bun, and I'm going to take the wrap and wrap it around the front of my hair, and then I'm just going to, I do like my baby hairs to show, so I'm gonna wrap it like around my baby hairs like so. So yeah, you guys, it is so easy to create all kinds of different looks with wraps. I could keep going, but I really just wanted to show you guys the top 3 looks that I usually create with my wraps. It's super simple. Don't be discouraged. Don't feel like it has to be perfect. Like, this one is not the neatest, but it's cute. It's really cute. Yeah, that's really all I have for you guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to some of you that have been wanting to know how to wrap your hair. If you did like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and share this video with someone that wants to learn how to wrap their hair. And also, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell again so you know when I post new videos. But thank you guys so much for supporting me, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. Toodles!